want to defend, they're willing to die.
Congressman,
why don't we arm them?
Congressman, I wanted to ask you a question.
They're being armed, and I should think that much of the arms comes from the drug business, Congressman.
Where did you get that from?
From very good sources.
What, the Serbian drug lobby?
That we have a crisis over there. It's been a civil war. The Albanians' hands aren't completely clean, especially the Kelle. I think
Don't create parity.
The evidence is clear. They have conducted terrorist activities against the Serbs, but nobody's
Where are you
going to
getting that
defend
from?
Milosevic.
You're probably getting that from the wire services from Belgrade. There's no proof of that. This is exactly what the Serbs are spreading around here.
New York Times, the Washington Post have published this over the last 2 decades. I have plenty of evidence, Congressman, and you do too.
Sometimes I could have stopped some of the things that were happening, but I couldn't do it because they would not give me the go-ahead. They would not give me the permission. I had to watch them torture each other. My second trip over there mainly, the Albanians would strap explosives to people and throw them in their shops, blow them up. They didn't care who it was, men, women, children. Even though I had them lined up, I had them in sight, I saw what was going on. They're like, no, just sit there and report. And that's all I did. That's all I was allowed to do. So that was hard. I didn't think I'd ever come to dislike or hate a group of people until I served there. True ethnic Albanians, I can't say American Albanians, I can't say anybody that's been distanced away from the ethnic Albanian population from over there. Lack of a better term, they're Nazis. They still praise Hitler and all of his leaders that he had. So they're not a very nice people.
With those killers, rapers, kidnappers, and drug dealers who were collected from the underground around Europe to be organized as so-called Kosovo Liberation Army, which never existed. That was a kind of Hollywood, just to explain that they are having some kind of military forces and so on. They were never able even to attack any police or military unit. They were able only to kill somebody from the ambush. And they were clear terrorists. What else they could do? They were killing people from the ambush. They were putting bombs under cars or in front of markets. They are taking hostages, civilians, workers from the open mine near Pristina, for example. We never saw those hostages. We're afraid that all of them were killed. We don't know their destiny, where they were at the end. So there was no one single act of them which couldn't be clearly defined as terrorist act. And I was really surprised that NATO downgraded its dignity, making alliance with those killers and drug dealers.